Your kitchen, your way.
Hey guys, welcome to Your Kitchen, Your Way. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my baked ziti. Let's get to it. So guys, if you're in the mood for something that is cheesy and delicious that your whole family is going to enjoy, this is for you. I was in the mood for something that was easy to make and delicious and warm, so I decided to make this cheesy, easy baked ziti, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. To start off, I'm going to make a cheese mixture. Here I have some ricotta cheese, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper to that. And I'm going to throw in 1 egg. As well, I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese as well as mozzarella cheese. Once everything is added, I will give this a good mix. Then I will put it aside in the refrigerator until everything else is ready. Now I'm going to cook my pasta according to box instructions. In a hot pot, I'm going to add some olive oil, and I'm going to cook my onions. This isn't traditional. You can leave this out if you don't want to, but I also like to cook some peppers in there. Once my pepper and onion have cooked down, I will add in my minced garlic and cook that for another minute. I like to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this step. Now it's time to add the meat of choice. I have here some Italian sausage and some ground beef. I'm going to brown the meat and as I break them up. As far as meat goes, you can cook this with ground turkey or ground chicken. It's really up to you. And as always guys, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to give me that thumbs up and subscribe. Once my meat had browned, I added my marinara sauce. You can make your own or you can use a jar. And now I am going to give this all a good mix. Once I mix this well, I'm going to lower my heat, put a lid on, and cook this for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will remove about one third of my sauce and put it aside to cool down. Once my pasta has cooked and cooled down a little bit, I will add in my cheese mixture, as well as the meat sauce that I set aside to cool down. Now I will bring everything together and give this all a good mix. Now it's time to layer everything in a baking dish. I started with the remainder of my sauce. I'm going to put that on the bottom. Now I will add in my pasta mixture on top and spread that around. Now it's time to add the remainder of my cheese. I have my mozzarella cheese, and then I will add in my Parmesan cheese. Once everything has been put together, this goes into the oven at 375 for 25 minutes. This is it. This was dinner for tonight. I hope you give this one a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, the ingredients are at the end of the video, so stick around. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.